Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Aurora here on this channel. We had her before, perhaps you remember Giving Into the Love, a great song there. This time we have A Temporary High. So this one got my attention with the cool melody built into strumming. We will look at that and some different chords and strumming. So let's start right away. We have the capo set here on the 5th fret. And the reason for that is to be able to bring up this melody into the strumming. So that's why. All right, so with that said, we have 5 chords. So let's start with the E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is C. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so first we have this intro, and it's based on the E minor, G, C, and D. These are the chords for the chorus. You can say it starts with the chorus play here. And we also have this melody going on that I talked about. So we can look at the melody first, and then the strumming and how to incorporate the melody into the strumming there. So let's start with the E minor bass melody here. So it's based on the E minor. So the melody goes like this. Alright, so that is 4 times on the open E, top string. Then open B. Then 2nd G. Then open G. Back to 2nd G. And open B. So just repeat this 4 times on open E. Then open B, 2nd G, open G, 2nd G, open B. All right, that's the E minor part. Then we go to the G part here. So that is very similar. So you're gonna start here, instead of open E, you start with 4 times on the 3rd B string. And then the rest is the same. Open B, 2nd G, open G, 2nd G, and open B. So everything is the same except for the beginning there. Instead of 4 times on open E, you start on 4 times on the 3rd B. This note here, so. Alright. Then we play the C part. And that one, the melody is in the exact same way as the E minor. So you go back to this 4 times on the open E string. Then open B, 2nd G, open G, 2nd G, open E, B. Sorry. So played in the same way as the E minor part. And then comes the final part, the D chord. The melody goes like this. Okay, so that is 2nd on G, 3rd on B, back to 2nd on G, and then comes 3rd on E, 2nd on E, open E, and 3rd B. So to repeat the last part here, the D, it's second on G, third B, second on G, then third E, second E, open E, third B. So. All right. So for this one, how to incorporate the melody into the strumming. We cannot hold like a certain strumming for this one because it will change a little bit, and the main subject here is to it's to really hit the notes actually. So you will have to compromise there. So try to play as much you can of the notes while kind of hammering downs only for this one, I believe. So it will be something like this. I will try to give it slow for you so you can see what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna speed up later and show you how it could sound. So let's go. Something like that, okay? So with some tempo, it will be something like this. Downs here, and try to do kind of short pointed downs here on the strings you really need to hit for highlight the notes. Okay, so that was the intro and with the melody here, and this melody will come back during the choruses at least, and some other parts as well. But yeah, let's start with the actual verse here. Here to begin with, we have only downs. So we're gonna continue the downs. So the chord progression will be 8 downs on E minor, then 8 downs on G, then 8 downs on A minor, then 4 downs on C, and 4 downs on D. All right. So if you look at that as one chord progression, E minor 8 times, G 8 times, A minor 8 times, C 4 times, and D 4 times. That is one chord progression. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. All right, then starts the pre-chorus in the lyrics, and you're running to the shore. And here you're gonna play the down ups like this. So you're gonna start with 8 down ups on E minor, so 1, 2, 7, 8, right, and then G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then C 8 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and D 8 times. Okay, and that was the same chords as in the intro. Only one round of this for the pre-chorus, and that leads us to the chorus. Okay, so you're gonna continue the same chord progression there, and in the same way with the down ups. So E minor 8 down ups, G 8, C 8, and D 8. Here you, like if you listen to the song, there's a melody here, the one we learned, so you can bring this one into the strumming. Okay, so you just play in the same way as you played kind of the melody in the intro, or if you're not playing the melody, you can just continue the down up strumming here in the same way as you played the pre-chorus. So yeah, that's the chorus, and from now on there's not that much new to it. The second verse will be the same as the first verse. The only difference here is that you're gonna play the down up instead of only downs. Otherwise the same. The second pre-chorus played in the same way with the chords. The only difference here from the first pre-chorus is that you're gonna bring in the melody. The melody is here on the second pre-chorus. All right, and the second chorus also there in the same way as the first chorus, but it's only twice as long, so you go for an extra round of this E minor, G, C, and D for the chorus. Then comes another pre-chorus, the third one, played in the same way as the second one, and what I mean by that is that you're gonna play this one with the melody. Okay, so only this pre-chorus here with melody. Right, and then we have a final chorus played in the same way with the melody as the other choruses for 2 rounds, right? And it ends with an outro. You better hope that her love is not temporary in the lyrics, and that is 2 rounds of the same way of as you played in the chorus there with the melody. So that pretty much covers Aurora's song called A Temporary High. So I hope you enjoy this one, and take care. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.